Here I have a Genie Silentmax 1200 garage door opener that I've converted to run on the side of the garage door. Now this unit is extremely smooth and quiet, as you'll see in here. I've got two of the 3-button LiftMaster remotes. I don't have any clips with them, just the remotes. And the way I'm running that is I've got an external receiver hooked into it right there. And I've got the, I don't know if you can see them in there, the photo eyes. I just got those taped together inside this lens case here. I personally don't like those things, so I just got them up out of the way. So I got the photo cells there. And I'll go ahead and run this so you can see how smooth and quiet it is. Pretty impressive, really smooth and quiet. The door actually makes more noise than the opener itself. I also sell do-it-yourself kits, so if you have a garage door opener like this, like if it's a Chainmax, Silentmax, IntelliG, and you have one you want to convert it yourself and do it, I've got the wire and hardware for you to do it yourself, so check that out if you're interested in that. But I'm selling this one as a whole kit here, so, or a whole unit I mean. And I'm going to send along as well an install video on how to set the limits and how I set all this up, so that'll help out with installation. But if you got any questions, go ahead and send them to me.